Hello, y'all. Welcome to week 2. This is Beth again, your instructor. This is the week where you will choose which columnist, which writer you will be reading. Really excited you get to choose your own readings here. If you come to me and say, hey, I don't like the readings, I'll say choose somebody else. Choose somebody you respect, not necessarily somebody you agree with, but somebody you respect. By Wednesday of this week, I will ask you to have chosen someone. You can always change. You can always change. Have no fear. There are 17 columnists. You need to choose one. And so in the forum posting on Wednesday, I'll ask you to explain your choice. And then on Friday, I will ask you to respond to at least 2 people to say, hey, I chose the same person, or hey, I thought about her or him and decided not to because of this or that. I think it will be helpful for us to get a feeling of what people are doing. And then on Sunday, your written assignment here is a summary and a reflection. We're going to start getting very close up with your writer to see how on earth your writer puts his or her arguments into place. We're going to be looking at how he or she organizing the thoughts, how they do it, basically. Summaries are hard because you have to be very objective. I explain it very carefully in the assignment, but I'll want you to summarize it and then give your own analysis, your own reflection. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I really don't care whether you agree or disagree, but I'm going to be really interested in your analysis of the argument because that's what we'll be doing in this course. Now, I know that many of you are very reticent to read the news, and goodness knows, these are hard times to read the news. New York Times, though, you don't have to read about politics. And if you will look at, well, let's see where it is. Finding a columnist who shares your interest. I have a video. I think I did this a while ago. It still works. There are many columnists who write about all sorts of things that don't deal with columnists. We've got Frank Bruni, who writes about food, for instance. Nicholas Kristof, he's an Oregon boy. He writes about the Middle East, international travel. He has a wonderful column you might want to look at about going with his daughter on the Pacific Coast Trail. So anything would work. Let me know if I can help you. Welcome to the class.